Hey guys, here we are. Haha. Doing a mission again today, me and Mia. And yeah, it's like somebody said recently on one of their new videos, the big M. We're gonna go try Macassar, so we're gonna go see what's going on. And if anything is to be reported, we shall obviously do so. We got a little braai in, and we got the rods in. It's a bit of a picnic weather day. I'll show you now. Beautiful weather. So yeah, we're gonna go. We'll report back in a minute. Yeah, and today we will also very quickly do an unboxing because we got a new sponsor on board, and yeah, I'm very excited about this. So I'll do a little bit of unboxing and show you guys what we got earlier, well, in a minute or two. And so don't go away, stay. Is that the Parks board? Yeah, most probably. But here we are. Who doesn't know this road? And there she opens up. Woohoo! Har, mateys. There she is. Looking good, man. Right. 4x4 mode in the RAV4, which is a two-wheel drive. Here we go. And we're officially not on the beach. Okay. Well guys, today is a special day because we got a sponsor for some stickers, and we're going to give Mia M&M Fishing a couple of stickers. And guess what? We also got some awesome t-shirts. Mia, hold that t-shirt up. Here we go. You part of the Bru Crew now. Welcome to the Bru Crew. Here's one for Ryan.
Thank you.
Cool.
He's going to enjoy this.
Of course he will. Of course. Now, guys, let's check. What else have we got here? Okay. Now that is Bru Crew, sponsored by. Then, what have we got here? Wow! Jimmy's braai sauces. Apron. Freaking awesome. So we're going to put that to good use today because there's the barbecue. What else do we have in this bag? From Jimmy's braai sauces. Aha! A braai tongs. And let's see. A Jimmy's t-shirt. Wow, awesome. And is there anything else in the bag? Jimmy's, guys, thank you very much. So you guys now know, if you're going to do a braai, go get yourself some Jimmy sauces. Nice. But now back to the box, because there's a box here, and this box says, I'm new, try me, welcome to the family, Jimmy Sauces. Well, Jimmy's, thank you, I feel welcomed to the family already. So let's open up this guy. Right, let's try and do this with one hand. No, this is not going to work with one hand. Okay, there we go. No, not there. Yeah. There we go. Cool. So, okay, you don't want to litter, so we put that in there. And let's see. Do we pull that? Yep. Let's pull it. And oh, how nice! What beautiful packaging. It's difficult to do with one hand. Mia, can you help? There we go. So here we go. Let's open up the reveal. Ooh, look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. Guess what we are going to be using today on our braai? Thanks, Jimmy's. So guys, from this point forward, you know what to do. Go get yourself some Jimmy sauces for your braai at the beach. Okay, so yeah, we are on that mode again today. Die plastikie. Wat het jy daar gevang? A bagfish. I think we're catching a lot of that today. No, this is not a geel start. It's a checkers geel bag. No, it's not checkers. Checkers is blue. So yeah, let's not throw names. Alright guys, doesn't seem like the white mussel is really doing much. So now we're gonna go try a worm. I definitely don't want to continue to catch plastic bags. Definitely not. So without any further ado, I'm gonna pull this in quickly and go bait up with some new bait, fresh bait. Worm. Well, we got a worm on now. You can see there is the worm. So let's see if we can entice something to bite into a worm. Now we wait. Guys, here we go. Our fire is busy being, you can see it's going. And here we go. We came behind the car because the wind came up. And yeah, our luck, the wind. Okay, what color bag do we have on here? There's definitely something dragging. It's most probably a bag. It's not bumping, it's not swimming. This is a yellow bag, a green bag, a blue bag. It's a blue bag. A crab. It's a crab. Whoop whoop. Jy is welkom, ek wil hom hê nie. Well guys, there we go. We got a crabbo. There's two choices there. It can become a bait for a steenbras, or it can go back to the ocean.
Let him go.
Okay, well, Mia decided it's not bait, it's not food, it's not fish food. It can go home. come torment us another day. Well guys, the food's on the cooker. There we go. I'll show you now what it looks like inside. The fish still not biting. Yeah, Macassar, you evil. Anyway, today might just be the day, who knows. Be positive. Anyway, let me show you what's in the pot. Oh, not in the pot, in the cooker. Well, here we go. This is the cooker running off USB. Oh, you can see the smoky coming out of there. Aha. And let's just do this. And there we go. Woohoo! We are talking. Right, cool. So yeah, food is busy being prepared. It was supposed to be a fish braai, but the pescatorials, they don't want to comply. I have not seen any complying happening anywhere today. Quite a bit of people, but yeah, no compliance. Fish, where are you? We are waiting. Alright guys, the food apparently is ready. Whoop whoop, look at that. And what is this? What is this? Okay, slap chips on the braai, bro.
Always throw your papers away.
Always throw your papers away. There we go.
Don't leave it.
Don't leave it. We're not leaving it, no. Oh, I'm going to steal another one.
Okay, there, get yourself up there.
Okay, guys. Now we're going to verkeer frits on. We're going to eat spotunana. Wow. Yeah, smell this quickly. Flippin' nice, eh? Oh, I want to try this on the chippies and a bit on the meat. We actually didn't put really on the meat when we cooked it.
Hello.
Can we join you guys?
Hello, hello. Yeah. Oh, put 'n bietjie daar. Smeer dit daardeur eers. Want jy kan jou vleis daardeur my nog smeer, maak nie saak nie.
Lekker sis, hè?
Well guys, I'm gonna have to put this down now again, but there's my choppy with my Jimmy's relish on. Next time I'm gonna bring Jimmy's braai sauce. Aha. Cool, cool. Well, so Mia wants to go catch a couple of witsons and at least 20 kilos. Yeah, there it's quite possible because there you get the blacktail cob, the big ones. They grow up to about, they grow very big. Yeah. I don't know the exact species name, so don't quote me on that and don't ridicule me if I got it wrong. But yeah, and so here we're sitting again, like two flippin' old fogies. But today I really don't mind. It was just a get out day to introduce you guys to the new swag that's available from Fishing Bru. I've got awesome gift packs from Jimmy Sauces that I'll be giving away as time goes on. I'll let you guys know on the videos what the requirements will be to come in line to come grab yourself one of those. I'll try and give away one a month of those. Yeah, for the rest of it, let's see how many videos we can roll out and actually get some fish on the board. But back to us and what we do. Yeah, we might be moving spot now a little bit, maybe move down to Strand, see if we can pick up anything there. But yeah, today, I don't know. Mia, the water was a bit strong. water is quite strong, and a lot of crabs in the water. Don't know how cold the water is. I didn't measure it, so yeah. But yeah, well, every day is a fishing day. You just don't catch fish every day.
Out of the 50 fishing rods what I see in the beach,
Yeah.
I didn't see one fish come.
Yeah, I didn't see any fish come out either. So yeah, I don't think it's something we did wrong. I just, yeah. It wasn't to be today. Well, not yet. We can't say it isn't to be or wasn't to be because the day is not over yet. So let's see. Maybe we stop at the fish and chip shop and get some fish there. Aha! Well, guys, we decided to pack it in at Macassar. We're going to move to Strand and continue the picnic session there. Macassar once again didn't disappoint. We caught bugger all, and we didn't see anybody else catch anything either. Well, not in our vicinity that we were standing in any case. So yeah, if there's any other updates from Strand side, obviously I'll picture video quickly, but yeah, let's have a look. But for now, the water looks good. It looks perfect. It's just too strong. I think. I mean, even with a grab sinker, you cast and straight out, and before you know it, your sinker washes out somewhere on the beach. So yeah, I'm gonna go try somewhere else. Well, guys, we decided, cool. Let's give this a bash quickly. See if we can pick up a galjoen on the reef. So we're gonna try here quickly and we'll let you know what happens. Well, guys, so here we stand. I've got a fish on the line. It's stuck in the rocks, and yeah, not swimming out. Every now and again it gets a spurt and it goes crazy and the rod just goes mull. Now that I've got the camera on it, now obviously it won't. But yeah, oh, it's come off now eventually. It's been on for a while. But look at this. Look at this. Isn't this just too freaking awesome? And then Mia. Anyway, fuck it, guys. Yeah, we haven't brought out anything but that plastic bag today. We might go down to Strand a little bit later on. We decided to check on the arse monkeys. But yeah, for now, this is just a beautiful sunset. I mean, yeah, False Bay, flip it, you deliver sunsets. But Max, yeah, dude, the fish. And then all the way over there's Strand. Oh well, any case, I shall be checking in with you guys in a bit again if we decide to go to Strand, or I'll do a catch if anybody else catches anything. Well, guys, yeah, our day came to an end. It is now officially after sunset, and I just had that one fish. It actually eventually pulled my rod flat, but it was stuck. Couldn't get it out, so eventually I broke off. Fish got away. But yeah, from me and Mia till the next adventure, should be soon. So keep an eye out on social media for our next mission. Because I'm gonna have to make it plan. Oh, well, yes, that's another update. Oh, there's a ski boat busy being built. So Mia's ski boat is nearly done. So then we'll do a section on ski boats as well. Awesome. So till the next one, cheerio. Mia. Cheers, man.
Good one, guys.